All of you, and here is an interesting problem based on cubic application. And the problem goes like this: we have a cubic equation having three roots ABC. We need to find the integers a and b with ab less than 0 such that the sum of 6th power of roots is 277. Okay, so before we go further and trap the problem with our strategy, let's see why ab less than 0 condition is important in this. So let's assume y equals x cube plus x minus b. So its derivative equals 3x square plus a. Now clearly if a is more than 0, or even we can tell a is greater than or equal to 0, in that condition the derivative is going to be positive. It means the cubic expression will be drastically increasing. So hence we'll have only one real root. So for 3 real roots of this cubic, a necessary and sufficient condition must be a less than 0. Even equality of 0 is not allowed because ab is less than 0. Right? Now we'll use Newton's sum to find the higher power of roots. Since we know x cube equals b minus ax, so we can straight away square both sides. A square x square plus b square minus 2ab x. Now since abc are the roots of this equation, so they will satisfy this. A6 equals square small a square. What we can do is we can simply add this expression. So we'll have sigma a6 equals a square sigma a square plus 3b square minus 2ab sigma a. Now sum of roots is given because there is no coefficient of x square, so sigma a is 0. Whatever sigma a square, it's a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times sigma ab. The sum of root is already 0. And sigma ab is sum taken 2 at a time. So sum of root minus b by a, c by a. It's going to be a by 1. So minus 2. We'll use this information. So we have a square, sigma a square is 0 minus 2a, which is minus 2a plus 3b square, sigma a 0. So finally we are having minus 2a cube plus 3b square. Now we want this to be 277. So 277 equals 277 minus 3b square. And we know b is positive. So anyway, a is negative, so minus 2a cube has to be positive. Okay, so minus 3b square, this will be anyway less than 277, right? Because out of 277, it will be less than 277. So now so minus 2a cube is less than 277. So that gives a window for a as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Minus 6 onwards will have no solution because LHS will exceed RHS. Now all that we need to have is to filter the values, because we know is 277 plus 2a cube must be equal to 3b square. So we have to make sure for these values it must be 3 times of some perfect square. So if I'll keep a equals minus 1, that will give me 275 by 3 equals b square. Now clearly this is not an integer, so there is no possible value of it. Similarly for minus 2 it's not working, minus 3 it will not work, minus 4 is not working, minus 5 if we'll keep it's working, right? So the value of a is minus 5. Once we'll put a equals minus 5, b we are getting as 3. So the only solutions or the only ordered pair a comma b under this condition is minus comma. So the only ordered pair is minus 5 comma 3. Now you can definitely cross check. If we'll calculate the value of a6 plus b6 plus c6 under this condition of minus 5 and 3, sum of root is 0. Sum taken 2 at a time is minus 5. Product of root is 3. By plugging all the values, we are getting 277. So I hope you have enjoyed the problem. You come with more problems like this.